Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be learning wait statement and functions. Okay, so I'll start by teaching you the wait statement. So I'm going to insert a script in server script service, and the if statement, basically what it does is it waits an amount of seconds you specify. And to call this statement, you have to type wait, and between parentheses you will need to type the amount of seconds you will want it to wait. For example, in this case, I want it to wait 10 seconds, so I would type 10. So for example, if you want it to type after 10 seconds hi, for example, and it waits 2 seconds and it prints bye. So if you did this, it will, if you look at the output, you can see, let's wait, we wait 10 seconds, and after it, see, hello, waits 2 and says bye. So you can see here a little example. Then you can use variables and other stuff we learned before to use this. What I mean by this is that you can make a variable called, for example, seconds, and you can type here like the delay, for example 5 seconds, and there another variable called phrase, which will be like what you wanted to type, for example hello world. And here you could make, for example, wait, and here instead of typing 5 you can make it so we type seconds. So you can see that seconds is equal to 5, so it will wait 5 seconds. And here you can, instead of making hello world, you can make it so it prints the variable phrase, that in this case will be hello world. So if we test this, we can see, let's wait, okay, we can see how after 5 seconds the server starts hello world and this, because it waits first 5 seconds and then it prints the phrase we specified. So this will be everything about the wait statements, and now let's start learning functions. So functions are used to run the code you want by typing the function name and parentheses. So functions can have parameters, and we will see them later in this video. So first of all will be the syntax. So to declare a function you can do it of two ways. The first one would be typing local, then function to specify it's a function, and then the name of this function. Then you will type this parentheses and press enter, and end will specify that the function ended. So here we could do, for example, that it prints hello, and if you wanted to call this function, you will type the name of the function, in this case name, and the two parentheses. So we can see here that if we play this, we will see how it printed hello. And the other way to declare a function will basically be just typing function, the name, enter, and here what you will want it to do, for example hello. And now if you wanted to call it, would be the same way, name, parentheses. So parameters are pretty important. So for example, to create parameters, to apply parameters to the function, you will type the function, the name, and between these parentheses you will type like all the parameters you wanted to send. So for example, in this case, we'll make like the thing we made before with the wait, but in this case with a function. So we will need the seconds and the phrase. So here we press enter, and we wanted to wait the amount of seconds and print the phrase. So if we do this, we will see that either we will give an error or just nil. In this case, since it doesn't have any seconds, it didn't wait anything, and since there's no phrase, it will return nil. So these ones have to be in the same order. For example, if first you got seconds, you will type the seconds, and if then you have the phrase, you will type the phrase. Now if we test it, we can see that after the game starts, it will wait 5 seconds and print the phrase we wanted. See? So this is pretty much functions. Then you can, for example, here, okay, when you create a function and make these parameters you can only access them parameter when you are, if you call them, for example, from here, it will work. But if you try calling them from here, it won't work, because this parameters is only it's like it's creating a variable for only this function, you know. So that will be everything about the functions. It's pretty simple. So this will be everything in this video. I hope you learned something new, and if you got any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you everyone. Remember, if you like this series, you can like and subscribe, and so I can upload more, and it's really helpful.